everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will discuss some considerations when installing heating rods for the Styrofoam densifier. The lifespan of a heating rod is mainly related to the following two factors. 1. Installation tightness. The installation of the heating rod needs to be tight. If disassembly is required, you can tap in the circle drawn on the back to easily disassemble the heating rod. If the heating rod is not installed tightly, its lifespan will be shortened. 2. Tightening at the connection point. The wire of the heating rod is connected to the wiring inside the box. When replacing the heating rod, please make sure to tighten the screws at the connection point. If not tightened, the current will increase, which will also lead to a shorter lifespan of the heating rod. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.